Hello everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Tanjeet and today we are going to be learning how to create a simple HTML project using VI Editor. VI Editor is available on Linux distros and Mac OS in the terminal. Before we get started, don't forget to like and subscribe. Anyway, so first of all, you would like to create a folder for your project. Okay, so you can do it by using this command which I just typed. So mkdir, that is make directory. Okay, just type mkdir and then your folder name, right? And then when you enter and press ls, you'll see folder name is here. Okay, so yes, then you need to change directory to that folder that you just created. Okay, so now that you're in it, you can do ls and then there's nothing there. Now we are going to create a project using VI Editor. So you just type VI and your folder name. We're gonna type this home.html and it comes to this. So you can do basic commands like q means quit, and then it is not saved, you just force quit it. You can do another command called w, which means save. Now it is saved. Now if you do q, you should see, if you do ls, you will see home.html even though there's nothing in it. And there is another command wq, which means save and then quit. Yes, and then yes, that is all the commands for now really. There is more, but I'll give you a cheat sheet link in my description below. Okay, so now let's get started. So to type anything in the VI editor, you need to click the insert key above the delete next to the home. Okay, so then type this. Doctype HTML. What this is it is telling the browser that this is a HTML format. So doctype needs to be all capital and HTML does not need to be capital. And then you just type again. You can type HTML. You can just leave it HTML, or you can type sorry, I'm having a technical error here. Yes, now we're good. Right. So now you can just type HTML. You can type HTML on its own, but we usually type HTML lang. Oh god, sorry guys. Today's not my day. HTML lang equals double quotes en. We do not know why they do that, but they do it somehow, you know. And then you need to get your head tag open. So yes, you get your head tag open, and then what the head tag does is basically showing that is where you put all the styles. So you can put like make your color red, or you can also put the script in here as well, JavaScript stuff. That is a bit advanced, we'll come to that later. But for now, you also put the title tag in here as well. So title, and then you can put home. Right, what a title tag is this. If you go to your browser, on the top of your page or your website that you are going to, you will see like you know, on the top of the tab usually you will see the, can you see this new tab? That is what you call the title. Welcome to Firefox. That is the title. Okay, so that is what you are going to be making here. That is what's going to appear here. It's going to appear home. Okay, then you can either add a style tag or you can close it. So for now, let's just close the head. Now you're going to add a body tag. Okay, this is like the body of the HTML thing. Okay, by the way, if you do not put a title, then it is just going to show you home.html. We do not want that because that appears like it's an error in industrial standards. It will just show the, you know, URL of your thing. Right now we are not going to be hosting it anywhere. It's just going to be in local. So you just go to the file, right click on it, open in Google Chrome or Firefox. Okay, and then in here you can put like a h1 tag. H1 tag is heading, and then there are many different more things you can do. So for instance, if I get this notepad thing here, you can have h1 that is like large font, h2, h3, h4, and h5 and h6. I think all of them are there, and all of them get smaller and smaller. So h1 is the biggest, h6 is the smallest. Okay, so all of them will appear as headings. Okay, so h1, you close it, and then you can just type welcome or anything you want really. h1. Okay, so next we are going to go enter, and then we can add many more different things. Like we can add a p tag. P tag stands for paragraph. Okay, and we can type hi, welcome to my page. Okay, and then you can just close the p tag. There are many different tags that you can see. So there is a p tag, which is normal text. There is a I tag, which makes it italic, and there is a B tag that makes it bold. There's a strong tag that also makes it bold, and then there is also, yeah, there is a U tag which underlines it. And so with all of these, you need to put the same tag but with a slash. That means you close it. These are like brackets. Okay, a P bracket, which means whatever you put inside will be a paragraph. An I bracket, whatever you put inside will be italics. B tag with bold. S tag, strong tag with again bold. U tag with underlined, and so on. Okay, for now let's just do this, and then we'll just close our body tag. Okay, and after that you need to close your HTML tag. This is the, you know, this is the HTML tag in the beginning. You know, the HTML lang equals n. Everything here except from doctype HTML needs a closing tag. So doctype HTML is a label saying like, you know, this is HTML, and HTML you can, this is just, you know, this is closed with this, body is with body, h1 is h1, head is with head, title and title. Okay, and now we are going to save the project. Okay, you need to click escape, then you type the command I showed you earlier, wq, save and close. Okay, now that is closed. Right, now let us go to home, then we need to find project 1. Yes, and home with home.html. Now we can open with either Firefox web browser or another application. So You can view all applications. You can open with a text editor as well. So once you open with text editor, you get the same thing. You can edit it here. It is more easy for beginner to edit it here. So for the rest of the video, we might edit everything in the normal notepad. You should not have it open in the VI editor and the notepad at the same time. If not, there will be a clash. Okay? Anyway, let us open it in the Firefox web browser. And look, you have it here. So this is the title, and this is the file. You can open, open your entire file system here. If you just go like this, it will show you all of your files in your system. You can do it in any browser, and you can do it anywhere. So as I showed you, each one is the biggest. It looks like this, and this is a normal p tag. Okay, so that is the beginning of my tutorial. See you in the next video, and don't forget to like and subscribe and leave a comment, and feel free. See you in the next video.